Forex Gold, XAUUSD, very latest trading idea and very latest forecast, also price prediction.
As of Thursday, June 12th, 2025, XAUUSD Gold is experiencing some volatility influenced by a mix of fundamental and technical factors. Current market snapshot and key levels approximate. Current price around $3,370 minus $3,380. Prices fluctuate rapidly, so this is a general range. Key resistance $3,377, $3,400, and potentially $3,439 May high. Key support $3,315, 21-day SMA, $3,297, and $3,279, 50-day SMA. Deeper support is seen around $3,260 minus $3,200. Driving factors: U.S.-China trade talks. Ongoing discussions between the U.S. and China are a significant driver. Positive developments could ease trade tensions and potentially reduce safe haven demand for gold, while delays or breakdowns could fuel a rally. U.S. inflation data, CPI and PPI. Upcoming U.S. inflation data, CPI and PPI, is highly anticipated. Higher than expected inflation could strengthen gold's appeal as an inflation hedge, while lower inflation might dampen it. Federal Reserve policy. Expectations around Federal Reserve interest rate cuts also influence gold. Softer economic data or increased likelihood of rate cuts tend to support gold prices, as lower interest rates reduce the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding gold. U.S. dollar strength. Gold typically has an inverse relationship with the U.S. dollar. A stronger dollar makes gold more expensive for holders of other currencies, potentially leading to lower demand. Geopolitical events, global uncertainties, and geopolitical tensions continue to support gold's safe haven appeal. Central bank buying. Consistent gold buying by central banks, particularly from China, provides underlying support for gold prices. Recent price action and technical outlook. Gold has recently seen some pullbacks, but has shown renewed upside momentum. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, is pointing north above the midline, suggesting renewed bullish interest. Some technical indicators suggest a bullish setup building ahead of U.S. CPI data. However, some analysts also point to potential for a short-term downward correction if U.S. employment data exceeds expectations, or if there are positive trade developments. There are indications of a golden cross on the H4 chart MACD, which typically signals an uptrend. Trading ideas and scenarios. Given the mixed signals and upcoming data, here are some ideas and scenarios. Bullish scenario. If XAUUSD sustains above the 3,260 minus 3,200 support zone and positive catalysts, like higher inflation or continued geopolitical concerns emerge, a rebound could offer buying opportunities with an upside target of $3,500. A break and close above $3,377 or $3,400 could strengthen the bullish momentum, potentially targeting the May high of $3,439 or even higher towards $3,500. Bearish scenario. If U.S. employment data comes in stronger than expected, or if there's a significant breakthrough in U.S.-China trade talks, gold could see a short-term correction. A decisive break below $3,315 or $3,297 could signal further downside potential, possibly towards $3,200 minus $3,190. Some analysts suggest a short opportunity from resistance levels around $3,350 minus $3,375, with targets around $3,350 or $3,318. Important considerations for trading. Risk management. Always use appropriate stop-loss orders to manage risk, especially given gold's volatility. Fundamental news. Stay updated on upcoming economic data releases, especially U.S. CPI and PPI, and geopolitical developments, as these can trigger significant price movements. Technical confirmation. Look for confirmation from multiple technical indicators and price action before entering trades. Time frame. Consider your trading time frame. Short-term traders may focus on immediate support/resistance levels, while long-term investors might consider the broader trend and fundamental drivers. Disclaimer: this information is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Trading XAUUSD involves significant risk, and you could lose money. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Bye.